ka Shillong Hindu Dharma Sabha Durga Puja Committee ka weinig jaka leniam haganig nongba Shillong ka blarim tang ya ka balas dang house nem khat praspa khnai penriu badia ka Shillong Hindu Dharma Sabha las dang house nem khat khnai spa iwei bat menta ka sni la rakhe ek jingdap si spa arpsan snem kane ka jaka leniam hathanat road Shillong bat ya kane ka jarkhe kan long si snem lenter habakran kumukong sanu ba adal bat nongrum ba deiru emele jongane jaka la ong ba ka borom ka lech se ki toy blas dang ya ka bat dei lemba jongki ba klai yo bane don lang kum ba ka long menta udap da ka jingmen bane don lang hagane ka sngi mar ong ba ka don ka por hab ban long ba don ya ka jingsngeu ya ka jai ban riu mar ka don ka por ba hab ban don ka jingsngeu kum ki para briu kane ka long kuburom palala bandan lang ha kane jaka jakhnat mandir namar ha kane jaka kamde tangram ta kaleniam puja kumbala kranakmat kane ka jaka kaderu ka jaka leniam hindu yatra ya kane ka jingle burom kalong manlaus nem hapuri bar haslong ru ya kane ka jingle burom la pandon burom manus nem ya kane ka jingrekhe ya jingdap sispa arsan nem ha kane ka jaka leniam la penpho penping dak jingshat
This is a very auspicious program on all behalf. Respected Swamiji, Secretary of Bharat Subhasham, President of Shillong Hindu Dharma Sabha, respected Hirok Chakrabarti, and all the team members, for which I believe only one person or individual person we can ruin or we can destroy the very motive, what togetherness we can shape to a better motive. I take this opportunity to thank you one and all. A very good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Especially for giving me this opportunity to be part of this auspicious celebration, 125 as a journey. It is our absolute duties and responsibility to honor those who have made today we all can come together because of all these finals. They are the one. Therefore, what our Honorable President of CPC, respected Nava Bhattacharjee, he had mentioned that today, yesterday and tomorrow. These are the three processes which need for a continuing life in serving one another. I thank God Almighty for giving me this precious life that I feel that I should give the best service. As time recall that we should talk and concern about community, and there are times that we should concern about humanity. It really gave me an immense pleasure to be part an auspicious occasion and celebrate with you all in this very well-known Jagannath Mandir. The set premises which earlier the speaker had mentioned, that it was established in this very beautiful Shillong way back 1901. Not only to perform Durga as what President of CPC had mentioned. He clearly said, he clearly mentioned that this was not meant only for worshipping. This also has been a place to perform the ritual of Hindus, that is Rath Yatra. Rath Yatra, also known as Chariot Festival, is a tradition that honors the sacred journey of Lord Jagannath, along with Lord Balabhadra and Devi Subhadra. This is particularly observed annually as a public procession in Puri Jagannath Mandir. Shillong also has been observing the same ritual effectively and creating a spiritual spectacle in our beloved Shillong city too. As we come across this 125 years, it recall me and recall all of us. I reiterate again by saying that it is true and righteous our own position has known once upon a time a peaceful state, and it is our absolutely duty and responsibility to carry out the task and responsibility to ensure that we as Meghalaya should be the role model.
Thank you.